Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clear map memory for your Viomi SE using the Xiaomi Home app. So in order to do that, you will need to get the device added to your home and select it. Then press on the three little dots in the top right corner of the screen and scroll down a bit. Here you will find clear map. We're gonna click on that and then confirm that we want to clear all the maps. Now wait a second. And reset was successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.